Got good glass all the way around. This is a 1965 two-door Rambler. And it's in nice shape. It's got 68,000 original miles. And if you always wanted a 65 Chevy Nova 2, this is a 770H 327 engine car. And it's in nice shape. It really is in nice shape. Look at the door jams. There's your door jams. Your rocker panels. Oh, lock don't work. It ran when it was parked 3 years ago. Doesn't have a key or a battery. $5,600. We're selling it for what the engine costs, man. It's got a brand new engine in it, so $6,500, and you got a nice little muscle car. I mean, this would be an easy restore. It really would. I wished I could keep it, actually. I'm selling this for a friend of mine, but man, I'd love to own it because they only made this 1 year. I was born in 1965. Freaking cool, man. Anyway, hope you're all having a good day.